Okay, so it gives me, this domain, and these are the DNS record. So in the next step, which is, adding the DNS record into your web hosting. Okay, so there might be a different web hosting. Yeah, there are, you might have a different web hosting, because I'm using, let's say, Google domains. Okay, and you would have some different web hosting, but the process, it's similar. Okay, the UI would be different. Okay, so go to your DNS. Okay, just log in with your hosting and go to the DNS, and then there would be managing the DNS record. Okay, every hosting panel has this uh, feature. Okay, just go to the your last record, and just hit the create new record here. Okay, and just copy this. Okay, and put it over here. Just remove the just remain just enter the name of your subdomain. Okay, and then we have a text type txt, so select txt. Okay, and just copy this and paste here. Okay, add one more and just create one more record. Just copy this over here and select a, because it's a type A. Just copy this IP address in here, and just everything is fine. Okay, just save it.